In this module, we will discuss how to create an additional administrator account for the phone system. What you will need to perform this task. You will need access to the admin portal. Creating an additional administrator account can be accomplished in the admin portal itself. First, log into the admin portal using administrator credentials. Click Accounts and select Users. This will list all of the extension user accounts. While it's possible to change an existing extension user account to an admin account, it's recommended to make a new standalone admin account. Click Add in the upper right corner. Enter the username, password, and email address. Fill in the user's first and last name. In the Groups drop-down, select Admin. If the user needs reduced or limited access, our support staff can assist in identifying which other groups may fit the user's needs. Click Save in the upper right corner.